Model GRV MINIV is the smallest vertical three-phase cutting unit with carbide counterblade for textile and technical textiles applications up to 25 millimeters thickness. A toolless variable finger protection fulfill highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The machine can be fixed on O.E.M systems by using the aluminum flange. The GRT MINIV is widely applied in textile, leather, light carpet, or technical fabrics field. The three-phase induction motor is balanced and noiseless. This cutting unit does not need any maintenance so as to be easily used during the production process on 24 hours a day. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes as well as for cross-cutting. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor GRT MINIV into a universal three-phases cutting unit for all industrial requests with small spaces. The delivery contains the GRT MINIV, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Please ask us. Contact us for further information.